Hello, you're welcome to this video. This video, I'm going to show you briefly how to create a business page on SocialHub. Probably you want to have a page to be able to showcase what you're doing as a business person. You can do that practically on SocialHub. SocialHub is a social community platform which is focused in Nigerian kind of audience, in the sense that it's built for Nigerian purpose, as like you can chat, make money in the platform as a Nigerian. Even if you are not in Nigeria watching this, you can as well use the platform to chat and earn in the process. And then in SocialHub, you can practically do a lot on the platform. So today we are looking specifically on how to create a business page. Okay, this is my SocialHub account. If you are here on your SocialHub account, if you are using a system to access the platform, you can see that you can see here pages, my pages. If I click on that, my pages, you'll be able to see the pages I have. So to get to SocialHub is go to socialhub.com.ng on your browser. You'll be able to get land on the page, and you can create an account for absolutely free of charge. Don't pay anything to create an account, is completely free. So you can see here I have daily income need. Then I have instance mobile Nigeria. So let me just click on daily income need. So you can see that in this is just like one of the page I created on the platform. So daily income need instance mobile NG. So if you look at daily income need is having almost like 16 people that like the page. Then you can see the instant mobile NG is having like 4 people that likes the page. And you can see the categories that each of these pages are. Like the daily income need is on educational category, while the instant mobile NG is on science. So let's look at daily income need and see how the page looks like. So there's going to be a banner, that you can add up here. But today we're just like trying to learn how to create. So after adding the banner, you can see the name. Then one thing about creating a page is that it helps you to offer a job opportunities apart from posting on your page. You can easily offer a job, create a job of opportunity or offer on your page. So you can actually describe your page. So quickly, let me go to the home page, and then I'm going to create a page. Okay. So what I need to do is very simple. I'll just hover over my mouse to this create. So you can see it there. I'm just going to click on create. Let's click. Then from here, I will select what I want to create. Here, I want to create page. So I'm just going to click on create page. So I'm going to give the page a name. So I want to create one of our platform, which is VTU app. So it's actually a VTU website. So I'm going to put in VTU app. Then the category where that particular business falls in, that's all you need to put here. So here we put science and technology. Then page description is so you need to put in page. So this page description, since we have already existing VTU website for this particular page, so what I'm going to do now is to head over to vidoe.com.ng, which is our platform that I want to create a page on. So what I needed to do is to just copy this particular page description, or better still, I'll come here, what we are, So I'm gonna just copy this, copy it, and then come here and paste it as the page description. So you can see you can page description between 10 to 200 character maximum. So I'm just going to click on create. Once I've added the page description, I'm just going to click on create. So the system will check if something like VTU app has existed. If it has existed, you may not be able to create it. But since it has not been existed in the platform, it will be created for me. And I can actually access the page anytime by visiting socialhub.com.ng/VTU app. So you can see it, the page is created. So you can see I can access the page right here. So the page is where we are right now. You can see the page is created automatically. So here I can be able to, you can see the about us page, that what I just added up right now. You can see here the description of what we just added up is showing here. So you can see the category is science. So creating a page here will help to boost your business. And then of course you can share ideas. So here I'll just post something. And as you are posting, you'll be earning money in the process. And people will get to understand and also learn about your business. So you can see here that I have 2,800 points, but I just made this post right now. I just posted this. So if I load this page again, I'll be able to see I have now 2,115 points. So, and if I go to my earning tab, you see that my earning is actually increasing, because here on SocialHub, as you make any kind of activities, you'll be paid in the process automatically by the system. So I made a couple of videos on our channel. So go through it, which is Legit Cash Business TV. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please, this is the right time to hit that subscription button, subscribe, because we are making updates on how you can actually make and multiply money in the process. And also we cover business and trainings that cut across due technology, crypto trading, information marketing, business, forex, mobile development, online business in general, just like this particular one you're watching. So go through the playlist, you'll be able to see, I think I have here, if you go to the playlist, I think there is a SocialHub playlist. Let me just direct you so that you can able to understand more about SocialHub, how you can actually use it to start earning money for absolutely free of charge, guys. You don't need to do anything, and you'll be making a lot of money in the process. So just type SocialHub on YouTube. Then YouTube will give you a lot of information. Okay, look at it here. You can see here. So if you click on this SocialHub as a playlist, you'll be able to see a lot of videos that I've covered in the past about this platform, how you can make money using this platform for absolutely free of charge, guys. You don't pay anything to get started. So if I go to my pages right now, if I click on my pages, I'll be able to see that the VTU app, which I just created the page right now, is going to show up in this my pages. So you can see it now, VTU app. So what we're going to do is to begin to customize the pages. So you can actually share your page to any person to visit and like the page. So, and you can also be updating people regularly on the activities going on your page in real time. So in the next video on this, we are going to be looking at how to be able to kind of add a welcome page, okay, that will enable users to see that this is, because if you go to a video app, you can see here, this is a website. So we are going to look at how we can able to add a welcome page on the on our page on SocialHub. so that people can know that this is actually a fan page, so just like what you are seeing here. So we're going to be covering it in another episode of our training on this platform. So stick around, go through the playlist of SocialHub on Legit Cash Business TV. You can see the playlist is here, and then get familiar with the platform and utilize it for your business, and also to earn money every day, because you make money from several activities you do. As you are chatting, you are liking, you are reacting to a post, commenting, you are making money in the process. So you can see, if you click on here, if you click on point, you'll be able to see all the ways you can make money from this platform. And it is 100% free, guys. And has, so you can see it now, 3 point, 30 points, 35 points, 10 point, 50 point for creating blog posts. So this is a mind-blowing opportunity. Get yourself involved in this platform, because this platform is clocking 2 years and is still working effectively. Invite your friends to use the platform as well to expose their business to people that are as people that want to see trending businesses and all that. So this is how you can be able to grow your business automatically using this platform. It's completely free and people are cashing out big time in the platform. I remember host Mr. Shedrach. Please do well to subscribe to the channel, Legit Cash Business TV. Hit up that bell notification icon if you're a returning subscriber. Thanks for stopping by to check on our updates. Until then, we are going to be talking more on how to open how to add up a fan page on SocialHub. But before then, open your account on SocialHub for free and begin to earn every minute. Invite your friends and colleagues to use the platform. I am your host, Shedrach. I'm going to see you in the next video.